Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the DXC Technology latest job recruitment, that what will be the eligibility criteria, what will be the job role. We will talk about all the details. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel because you will get the latest job updates regularly. So first of all, if you talk about the job role, then associate professional technical support will be the job role. Then they have mentioned the location, that will be the Bangalore location. You can see that posted 7 days ago, means the post is the latest post. So if we talk about the job descriptions, then they have provided a job description, that what will be the job description for your, means what will be the job role. So you have to provide information on problem concerning system, coordinate, conduct and install, move and add changes, provide expert technical advice. After that, provide guidance and training to client population, maintain currency regarding technologies, provide data for daily metric reporting, provide system hardware documentation, and provide technical support in support of project work. Means the role will be of support only. So after that, what will the basic qualification? So basic qualification, they have mentioned that bachelor degree or equivalent combination of education and experience. Means if you have bachelor degree in computer science or related fields, then you can apply for this job role. Means if you have bachelor degree in CS, IT, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, then you can apply for this role. If you talk about the other qualifications, strong analytics and problem solving skills, if you have these skills, then you can also apply for this job. Work environment, they have mentioned that office environment will be there, may require shift work also can be there. So if you want to apply for this job, you can see that apply option is there. When we click on this apply option, you will get the option for start your application. You can autofill with resume, means when you upload the resume, all the details will be autofill, or you can apply manually all your details. So when I click on apply manually, it will redirect to login page. So firstly, if you haven't logged in yet, then you can register for this and you can apply for this. So we can see that create account option is there. So firstly, we have to create an account. We have to put the email address, password and verify new password. After that, we have to click on create account. After creating the account, we have to log in by the same username and password. And after login, we have to provide all the details like our personal details, education details, freshers experience details, our resume, passport size photo. You have to provide all the details, and after that you have to submit the details. So after submitting and after the last date, you will get all the details by email, that what will be the next selection process. Like firstly, online assessment will be there. If you clear that online assessment, you will get the interviews mail, like technical interview will be there, HR interview will be there, and further process can also be there. So I have provided you all the details that who can apply for this job. If you have bachelor degree in CS related fields, CS, IT related fields, then you can apply for this job. And guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel because you will get the latest job notification and internship course details regularly.